What's up everyone, Nick Parros here with Action Water. I'm out here on my XT24 and today we're gonna talk about creating your own surf profile with MasterCraft's SurfStar. So although they make it super easy with the 1 through 7 slider, there's a few reasons why you might want your own profile. One, just ease of use. You can tell anyone who's driving your boat, hey, put it on my profile. Two, you might wanna make very small adjustments with the speed or the tabs on a profile that you already like. So let's say you like riding on a 3, you might want to change it just a little bit. Well, it's easy to do that. You just create your own profile and you're set. You can save it and it'll always be there for you. So let's make a profile for my buddy Andre. Quick reminder, SurfStar makes it super easy, 1 through 7, mellow to steep, to choose your wave. Andre rode earlier and he liked riding on the starboard side at about a 3, so I'm gonna use that as the baseline for his new profile. So when you're clicked on the 3, if you switch over to custom surf, you can see what the 3 actually entails. So I know that he likes riding at about 11.3 and with that port tab at 80, no center tab. So I'm gonna go in here, I'm gonna add a profile top left corner. I'm gonna put that speed to 11.3. I'm gonna put that tab down to 80. Set tabs. Ballasts are already full. Next, I'm just gonna type in his name for easy access to his profile. I'm gonna hit save and activate. So that profile is now activated. I'm gonna hold down one of these buttons to save it to that spot. So now it says Andre. Now he's ready to ride and I have his profile in here. So every time he comes on this boat, I can just hit his name and he's ready to ride. Thanks for watching everyone. Now you know how to set up your own profile in your MasterCraft. You're gonna have a ton of fun out there and it'll always be easy to know that you have the perfect wave. If you have any more questions, head over to the Learning Center at actionwater.com or feel free to DM us on Instagram at actionwater or at Nick Parros. Until then, see you out on the water.